We are done with the examples of factorization using the first two identities. The third identity problems are very straightforward. If you remember, it says a plus b multiplied by a minus b equals a squared minus b squared. Say you're asked to factorize 4p squared minus 9q squared. You would immediately realize that the third identity can be used here. Firstly, there are only two terms. And second, as we have 4 and 9, both terms can be written in whole squared form. The first term can be written as 2p the whole squared, and the second term can be written as 3q the whole squared. So now we have it in this form. Looking at the identity, a becomes 2p and b becomes 3q. So this can also be written as 2p plus 3q multiplied by 2p minus 3q. This expression was factorized and written as this expression. It involved just one step. That's the reason I said earlier that the third identity problems are very straightforward. We use the distributive property to check our answer. This will equal 2p multiplied by 2p minus 3q plus 3q multiplied by 2p minus 3q. We multiplied this with this and this with this. 2p multiplied by 2p gives us 4p squared. Multiplying this with this, we get minus 6pq. 3q multiplied by 2p equals 6pq. And 3q multiplied by minus 3q equals minus 9q squared. These two terms cancel out and we are left with 4p squared minus 9q squared. So our factorization is correct. Here's a slightly tougher problem. 2p plus 3q the whole squared minus p plus q the whole squared. There are two main terms in this expression, this one, and both are already in the squared form. We also have a minus sign in the middle. It has to be the third identity. In this example, a is 2p plus 3q and b is p plus q. This is a plus b multiplied by a minus b. The first group can hence be written as 2p plus 3q plus p plus q. In the second group, we write 2p plus 3q minus p plus q. To avoid mistakes, let us group the like terms. So we write the first group as 2p plus p plus 3q plus q. And the second group as 2p minus p plus 3q minus q. So we get our final answer as 3p plus 4q multiplied by p plus 2q. Don't forget to check your answer.